So we've got into our Google Classroom. Now what we need to do is upload some documents or potentially some workbooks for our students to work on or worksheets. To do this, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to what's known as Google Drive. So if we go back to the top right hand corner and go to Google Drive. Once you're on Google Drive, I'd recommend going to the cog in the top right hand corner and clicking on Settings. Make sure this box is ticked with a blue tick. What this will do is, as you can see here, convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. This means that when we upload Word documents, Excel documents, or PowerPoints, it will automatically be transferred and converted into the Google format, which is Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This will save you a lot of time in the long run, so please do make sure you do this. Remember, click on the cog, Settings, and make sure this is selected. Next, what we're going to do is add our documents to our Google Drive. So to do this, we might want to make a folder system. So we can go to New, Folder, and Work for Spanish Lesson, Create. So to do that, remember, it's New and then Folder. Now, if we go into this folder, we can now select the work we want to go into here. So we're going to go to the Start menu, type in My Computer or this PC, find your folders. So this could be on your computer in the network drives, in the T drive, in the shared drives, and in the resources folder. For me, I put on the desktop, and we're going to go into Spanish work folder. Select the work you want to put into the folder and simply click on this, drag and drop. Once you've done this, this will automatically create these pieces of work and create these worksheets automatically into a Google Docs format. If you're not very au fait with drag and drop and you like to kick it old school, we can go to New, File Upload, and then do the same process again, but this time we can just simply select the two files and click Open. Both of them work exactly the same. Please feel free to use whatever method you would like. So now we have uploaded the documents into our Google Drive. So now we're going to go back to Google Classroom, which will be open at the top, or we can go to the 9 squares and click on Google Classroom. Now we're going to add this to our classrooms.